Hi guys, welcome to Metrics Trading Professionals, and with you in this session is Miracle. I want to quickly do a market projection for this week. I would be showing you in the next few minutes what my expectation in various pairs are. My so this is USD JPY. I've been on this pair. If you check this channel, you'll discover that we've been on a bullish projection and it has been playing out. So what am I looking at for this coming week? I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish. And I'm going to be looking at a buy from here. We have lots of imbalances already in this pair. So I'll look at this gap being closed. So this is my first point of entry. So what I needed to do is to watch out for the price actions here. However, if you don't see a sufficient price action for buy, then you can actually definitely get one here. So I'm looking at a buy from here or from here. So that's just it. So I'm still bullish bias here on yen, dollar yen. It's very bullish. It's very bullish. You can see last week they broke out of this range. It is one of the best pairs, actually, if you ask me. It's one of the best pairs to trade for this week. One of the best pairs to trade for this week. We might not even have this retracement, but I don't like chasing price. If you trade martingale approach, then there's a way I would have asked you to trade this. Okay, but for someone who wants a good money management method, you just have to wait for a retracement before you pick this trade. Let me see on M15 if I would. Okay, another way you could actually trade this is to watch out for a break of this high, this last week's high. Like that. Okay. Yeah, so if you watch out for a break of this high, a break and retest. So market has to break and retest before you pick a buy there. Another thing you're gonna do, someone could actually want to sell, but I don't trade I don't go against the trend. Okay, like you see the sell is about 100 pips and there's about 180 something. So you might actually sell to buy or wait for it to just sell, then you join. I love being in line with the trend. So this is already an impulse. It's an impulse, and we have another block here. If this market really sells, it could actually get here, but this is just the first place I believe it will get to. All right, so that's that on USD yen. Let me get another pair. Let me look at what's happening on New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar should be a very good bearish market also. I'm looking at going bearish here. It's also a good pair to trade for the week. And the market opened with a gap already. Market open with a gap. But I would have loved to take my entry here. This is the best place for my entry, guys. This is the best place for my entry, guys. Okay, so we can actually find that price would come back to it. Can actually find that price will come back to it. So that's the best place for my entry. Let me see the daily time frame. That's the best place for my entry. Wow, wow. This is the first time I'm just seeing this pair since Friday. So Friday broke out of the monthly support line. This is the low of last month. Wow, wow. Interesting. I'm just saying this. Of course, I've always said it that I'm bullish bias on the dollar. Like I'm looking at this pair getting down to this place. I'm looking at this pair getting down to this place. But getting a good entry is the most important thing. So with this strong sell-off on Friday, if we can actually have a retest here, then we can have a retest here, then it will be the best entry for us, and you can stay long on this trade. Like it's a long term. So if it goes beyond this, it's not going to exceed this. So probably if you take your sell there, just put your SL above this price. We have a market station there. We have a market station there. It failed to return, and most times that could actually be a bearish order block. So if you pick a sell there, your stop loss should be above it, except you also want to wait till that price, but you might miss the opportunity. It's about 20 pips, so just take like 30 pips stop loss, sell limit 30 pips stop loss. Then if you look down, if you look closely, here, it's a do I call this wedge? No, I think let me just take it to be an ascending triangle, and the market is just opening, of which it's a continuation pattern. So we have a continuation pattern here. We have a continuation pattern here, and price has broken below it. So this also could mean that this market might not come back to that high, but that's my best entry. So by you will find another good entry, I could actually bring it up. And then these gaps are so important. These gaps are also important. Okay. So that's just my best entry. But if we find any good entry around here, so we'll have a good place to put our surplus, we can take it. Yeah, price can actually start selling without coming back there. But like 60% hopeful that they will come back here for our entry. But if you have another way of picking your entry, you can actually pick it. But it's a good sell. Generally, the market direction is sell on this pair. Like I don't want to go in details in talking about it. CAD JPY. Let me look at what we have in CAD JPY. CAD JPY. On CAD JPY. Wow. Okay, price is currently on the market is currently on a resistance. So we need a breakout. So we need a breakout, break and retest. Then we'll pick a buy. So I'm still bullish bias on this pair. So, but we need to see a breakout first of all. Look at what happened on Friday. It was broken, and we already have a retest of it. So this high now has to be removed, and we have our continuation. So I'm convinced this is an uptrend. I'm convinced this is a bullish market. So just to have a good entry, I don't have a good entry yet on it, but just have your eyes on it. Have your eyes on this pair. Have your eyes on it. Okay, I wouldn't really look at much pairs. Let me just see a few more pairs. Did I talk about Euro USD already? Okay, I think after this, I'll look at gold. I don't want this to be long. I'll look at gold. Now it's on the supply zone, so we just needed to break out of this. I'm still bullish bias on dollar. This could actually make this market to sell a bit. So okay, my entry is here. So we can find our entry here. I'll find our entry here. Find our entry here. Nice. Can find our entry here. Okay. Within the week, if I'll be chanced, I'll try actually to, because we have a lot of things we do, but I try to always give update on each of the pairs as they play out. So This could be another entry, but this is my major entry for this pair. Okay, good, 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 good. I love trading gold. I trade gold mostly. Gold is still a sell market. Gold is a sell market. Gold is a sell market, but we just need to find good entry. We need to find good entry. Just anywhere around here, find your entry for gold. I don't chase price, and I always tell anyone I'm mentoring, anyone we are mentoring, we tell them don't chase the market. Just plan your trade very well. Plan your trade very well. So just between 1821 and 1818 is where I want us to take our sell on gold. Please take note of that. So that's where I'll plan the entry. Let's see what we have 15 minutes. Okay, if we don't have them come back there, if the market breaks this price, then we can also, because we have a descending triangle there. So break and retest of this pattern is a continuation pattern. We can actually still take up the sell. But if it breaks up here, the price breaks up, then we should expect something like this. Something like this. Okay. That's that on good. I just don't want to do much things. I don't want to do much things, yeah. 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 Good has actually been trading, has been following what we analyzed. Okay, this I've cleaned it up. Okay. Wow. This was one of our analysis before now. You know, the market was here. And I said this way I'm expecting price. You can see what happened. What happened? Market came to it like and then pushed up. And today see where it is. Yeah. As time goes on, I'll teach you these things and other techniques I use in getting my entries. You get to know them. So when you come to the market, you trade like a pro. You don't need to chase price up and down. You just need to know what the market is doing and then know the best place to wait for them. You know the best place to wait for them. You don't need to chase price. You don't need to chase price. It's a bearish market, but with this place the market price is, I am just a bit skeptical of picking my entry here. I'm a bit skeptical. We have another block here, a bullish other block, so I might not love to actually sell. I would love wanting to happen here before I'll sell. I love price to come up, so I want to pick my sell entry around this price. That's why I want to pick my sell entry. So if the market buys before it sells, that's perfect for me. So if they buy to sell, then I'll prefer that. But if they sell first of all from here, they just keep selling, then I would start expecting a buy anywhere around here, anywhere around here. So we could just have something like this. That when it gets here, maybe we can actually have them we can have liquidity inducement down here. So maybe they get down and then they will buy here. Could have an inducement here. So this will my outlook on this pair is not really very interesting for me. It was interesting for me if I see this buy, then it will get interesting for me. But if it keeps selling, I don't really I might not be interested in trading this pair if it keeps selling, because I hate to be trapped. I hate to be trapped. There could be other interesting pairs, but I just need to stop here. I need to stop here. I don't need to go further here. Okay, guys. believe you got value. So do well to subscribe to this channel and also follow our social media handles so you will know what we are doing. We are trying to build a community of profitable traders so you can actually be part of this. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day.